funny mowing it. That's why I want to videotape him. YouTube.
Josh doing yard work.
Yeah.
What a real Mexican does.
Is he Mexican?
Yeah.
Huh.
This half-ass job, bro.
I know, right? Look. He's fucking making like little racetracks. Let Tyler, hey, Josh. Let Tyler go. Let Tyler go.
Hey! Actually get the hunt.
What are you doing? Move. Now get off. This Tyler, he's gonna do some yard work too.
Alright.
You, I know. Make sure you put that thing down the side. It's because it's wet. Put that thing on the side down.
Alright, put the throttle up faster.
All the way.
Not all the way, it's faster.
All the way if you want to pop a wheel.
Alright, now pull the front thing up.
Your lawnmower's crazy, bro.
Yo, dude, there's a thing right there.
The metal thing?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's go get it.
Why would you turn the throttle? Why would you make it go slower?
He fucking broke it.
You tried to make it go slower.
Fucking broke it.
You're an idiot. Yeah, it looks like a
What'd you do?
Look, so bad stuff.
Hello, bitch. Oh, he just ran over the shit that Nick licked.
Are you videoing that, bro?
Yeah, it's fun.